Okay guys, I'm back. Got the apples. Just washed them. Got to dry them. And place the sticks in them. I'll be back. Alrighty, we're back. And I have the apple. The stick is already in. I'm going to dip it in my white chocolate and sprinkle it with sprinkles. Duh. Pink sanding sugar. Pink sprinkles. And it'll come out like such. Like this one right here. Like that one. Beautiful. So, let's get right into it.
You want me to do them here or take them to the farm? You are so badass. Wait, how much do you know about opioid chemistry? I mean, just what they taught me at the academy, but I got straight A's in high school chemistry, so. Then you're gonna have some homework to do. What time is it? Hey.
I'm gonna take this and dab it to get some more chocolate off it. Parchment paper, dab it on there. Alright, that's a little better. Now I'm gonna sprinkle.
I'll just ask her. What? Mexican restaurant. No. Look, give me another chance. Okay? Tonight. I promise I'll be there. Okay. Sure. No, I gotta get to school. Okay.
You get our report on Mac Daniels? Yeah, I did. Are you sure this is the way you want things to go? He'll get fired if Mac in jail time. Mac didn't get hurt a month ago. He got hurt 6 months ago. He's deep into the addiction. He's walking around for
And here we are.
It's not just that. I went back to some
Okay.
prescription bottles for other people's hands off. And if you're doing anything to get those drugs, cops have to be held to a higher standard. Anything less, all hell breaks loose. I agree. I just want to make sure you saw the repercussions.
So, we're gonna do those.
He's going to lose his pension.
I'll speed it up. Show you everything at the end. one, and the other 6 are supposed to be white. I didn't find any, I was about to forget again. Let me do the sugar. I didn't find any white sprinkles. I wanted that to put a little, I guess, razzle dazzle, like a little razzle dazzle to it. Because just all white is kind of boring. So I was trying to find some white sprinkles, but I didn't find any. So I'm going to either just dip them in the white chocolate and leave them as is, or do them black, because her colors are pink and white with a splash of black. So I'm thinking I may do that. I'm not sure if you'll see the video. I'm not sure if I'll record me doing the strawberries as well, but I don't know. I'm not sure. It probably won't be the same video, but her strawberries, I planned for her strawberries to be black. I was gonna dip them in the white chocolate, and then, like the sanding sugar, I have black here. I was going to put the sandy sugar on the strawberries, the black sandy sugar on strawberries. I don't know, yeah, I'm still undecided. She's open to anything, so that's why I'm undecided. Okay, last apple. Okay, that's it for the pink apples.